Hello, trading is closed on March 20th, 2019. We'll go over our calls. Look for the pattern with the early low and the late high. We got that. Said lower prices should print unless we gapped over this high. We got that. We had a target of 28.45.51. I thought it might not print and it didn't. Here's the line. We came close, didn't print. And I overlooked this other target from yesterday where someone else pointed out to me. Ultimately, we should see 28.45.76 and almost always more than that. Tomorrow's pattern is the one with the early low. Doesn't mean you won't gap up first. We have a new target, 28.19.46. Unless we gap and take this out early, that's my call. Here's our mess after the Fed announcement. MEJT says that drop won't stick, says this rally won't stick, and we're going to come back to this line, 28.19.46. Well, the first move after the Fed announcement was up, and that usually means the next major move in the market's up, but there's almost always a three-leg whipsaw first. We didn't see it after the last announcement. Maybe we'll get it this time. This is a 23-point rally from the point of the announcement. Once we undercut the announcement price with conviction, not just a point or two, we should see more than a 23-point drop. And then we should see the last leg of the whipsaw go further away from this price than the middle leg. It works most of the time. Nothing works every time. Well, it's positive. We gap down, get all these lows, closed over all of them. It's negative that this pattern didn't close at its high. It's also negative we have a lower target. Conflicting signals. Commonest thing is we gap and promptly move outside the day's range. Next most commonly close, a little changed. To me, this whole pattern still looks negative. This is a 78.6% retracement of the drop. It shouldn't take much to take us a bit lower here. The ideal situation is to gap under this low. Whether or not that'll happen, I don't know. Until we go under this in style, and that wouldn't be in style. There's always a chance for one more leg up hitting the targets. But this drop didn't really accomplish anything. This rally didn't accomplish anything because it didn't take out these highs, and this drop took out some more highs. So I'm inclined to think this is the move we're going to get tomorrow down, but I'm wrong if we take out the high early. Otherwise, the pattern's negative and lower prices should print, and that's the target. And that's today's call.